Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Silva and I'm the auto instructor here at Klein Cain High School. We have a great program here. We have Auto Basics is our beginning course. We do a lot of oil changes, we learn how to do batteries, we learn how to do tires. Most of the basic stuff you're doing in the basic classes. Auto 1, you advance a little bit more, you start to do brakes, steering and alignments, you do electrical. After that we have our Auto 2, much more advanced. You do engine diagnostics, you do engine repair, and more complicated services with automobiles. And then your senior year, we have a practicum course, which you will go out to the industry and I will find you a job and you would work in one of the dealerships or one of the auto places here in Houston. So it's a great program. I hope everybody comes out and looks at our shop. We got great equipment here and a great facility at Klein Cain High School.
Hi, I'm Mrs. McKeever. I teach nutrition, principles of human services, child development, and I teach interior design. My classes are fun. You'll get some hands-on experience with some babies, some cooking, and some interior designs inside and out.
Hi, my name is Keely Williams. I'm the fashion design teacher here at Klein Cain. I also teach interpersonal studies, principles of education and training, and principles of human services. The cool thing about some of my classes is it's a lot of hands-on stuff. My students get to create their own clothing. They get a lot of personalized attention because they're smaller class sizes. And so we have a lot of fun.
I'm the culinary arts teacher here at Klein Cain. I also teach hospitality and tourism. As you can see, we have this fabulous facility. I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. I hope you want to join culinary arts.
My name is Joe Malter. I'm the robotics teacher here at Klein Cain. A lot of the stuff that we do here is kind of preparing for competition season this semester, and so all the stuff that you see that my kids are working on are just some really high-tech advanced robots getting ready to accomplish the tasks that we're doing this year for competition. Really cool classroom, really cool pathway, engineering pathways, amazing, a lot of fun.
Hi, I'm Ms. Woods and I teach architecture design, principles of applied engineering, and principles of animation.
My name is Coach Boyd. I teach Accounting 1, Sports and Entertainment Marketing, Advertising, and Money Matters here at Klein Cain.
My name is Coach Cole. I am one of the business and marketing teachers here at Klein Cain High School. BIM 1 or Principles of Business Marketing and Finance. A lot of these classes are going to be great for you to be able to move forward through these different business classes and kind of get a feel for what you want to do when you graduate from high school.
My name is Steve Shandera. I am currently the only criminal justice teacher here at Klein Cain. I teach all the various criminal justice classes that will be available here. As you can see, we have some very great facilities here. We have our own courtroom, we have a jail cell area, we have a police car coming in the near future that we'll use for part of our training, and we use a lot of equipment that the kids actually get to do a lot of hands-on training.
Wendy Avery. I teach principles of health science and medical terminology. We learn all kinds of different word parts, and it would help prepare you for a career in a health field.
Hey guys, my name's Miss Filan. You're down here in the Ag department. We have so much to offer for you. A class that you can start out with is Principles of Ag, Food, and Natural Resources Basic Freshman class. From there, we have aspects of floral design for your fine arts credit. We have animal classes, livestock production, small animal management, and equine science. We also have food technology, the lab that you saw. It's from farm to table. We'll actually be cooking food. We also have a wildlife class, as well as a range and forestry class as well. We also have the shop out here for all of our shop classes.
Hi, my name is Brian Bain, and I teach ag mechanics here at Klein Cain High School. Some of the stuff we do in ag mechanics includes welding, carpentry, electric work, plumbing, fencing, kind of a jack of all trades. You're working with your hands a lot. You're learning how to build stuff, build projects. It's a whole lot of fun, and you're learning skills that you can carry on for the rest of your life. All the machines that we have to work with are just state-of-the-art, brand new, and it's just some of the equipment you have to work on here is some of the best equipment you'll ever see.
Hello, I'm Coach Vo. I teach robotics and computer science. In robotics, as you can see, we build Lego Mindstorms and program them. In computer science, we code and program different things, anything from graphics to, codes and stuff like that. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, my name is Jacob Elbert. I teach some of the Tech Apps courses here at Klein Cain. Game programming, mobile app, web design, digital video, where you can make videos like the one you're watching right now. We have some of the nicest facilities in district. We have our own green screen here. We have 4K cameras all around. We have our own video board. So we're really set up to do a collegiate level broadcast right here from Klein Cain High School.